And good afternoon. We are from Group 12 and I leader of this group, Hafiz Hatta. Section 1P want to present about Airpods second generation from Apple products. Okay, let's just this up. Apple products based in One Apple Parkway, Cupertino, United States, assembled factory complex in Zhengzhou, China. Their sector is in the field of technology and industry of consumer electronics. The target demographic for Apple Inc. is a metropolitan customer of the USA and a foreign resident between the age of 20 until 14. This product background is in 1977. Apple Inc. was founded by Steve Jobs. You know Steve Jobs? From a workshop to one of the biggest manufacturing firms in the world. Apple with its own operating system iOS. iOS operate iPod, iPad, iPhone and Apple Watch device. It is only available on Apple products and respond to instructions from the user fingertips. The overall description is Apple will change the way you use the earphone by introducing AirPods and charging charge. AirPod starting at RM818. These AirPods are often small to fit in pocket and are often wide and provide battery power that can last up to 5 hours of user time. There are 6 unique parts of the product. First, microphone, battery, antenna, dual accelerometers, and the last one is W1 chip. This AirPod use dual accelerometers to advance the process of delivering component information to components. These components are often used the various earphone or headphone because if these components are damaged, other component cannot work. Source of description is dual accelerometers in the AirPod between AI optical sensor and W1 chip. Then it's same color with W1 chip as grey and attached with glue but bigger than W1 chip. Okay, the next part is Apple W1 chip is one of the most important components to support the Bluetooth system for AirPods. With this chip, it is able to have an interesting music effect. W1 chip is circle shape and lightweight to fit into AirPods. Then component color usually grey and decorated by another smaller chip with another color. This chip also attached by glue. How the unique part works is sending signal to electronic device such as Bluetooth at once, give a strong signal without affecting health. With one necessary tool like an antenna to be the backbone, send a signal to another device. Okay, let's next presentation.
Now I want to present some part about AirPods. Firstly, I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Azri bin Abdul Hadi. My number ID is VB19040. The first part is microphone. A microphone that has been developed on AirPod is one of the tools that can make phone calls and be able to talk to a helper. Microphones are an important part of AirPods because many systems are inaccessible about the various software available in iOS systems. Source of description: the microphone in the AirPod is located between battery and the dual optical sensor, and also the microphone is cylindrical and black color. The microphone has the same size as the antenna. How the microphone part works? The microphone on Apple wireless earbud will not be used to capture audio while recording video with Apple native iPhone camera, software while chatting on the phone, or recording audio with the voice memo application, because without a microphone, the use of serious and answering call will not work. The second part is battery. The battery on the AirPod is a type lithium ion, which is one of the small device and empower the AirPod to function. This AirPod battery takes a long time to charge, but this battery can last longer and it can also put more energy into a smaller space than other types of battery. Source of description: the AirPod battery is cylindrical and as long as a microphone. The surface on the AirPod battery is smooth and abrasive. The AirPod battery is close to the antenna and is black color. Do you know how the battery part works? Everyone knows. The way AirPod batteries work is to supply energy to components found in the AirPod so that it can function better. The last limitations of products. Since AirPods are connected to your Bluetooth handset. The phone battery will usually lose power faster. Airpods are also tiny, as some have said, making them easier to lose than normal. Airpods have to charge them too. Apart from that, here are no big drawbacks in the use of the Airpods. It's just pricey, given that you can get Bluetooth earphones at a lower price at the same or better standard. Okay, let's go to the next presenter.
Okay, I from Group AP. I was presenter number 3. My name is Ahmad Amirul bin Ahmad Razi. Okay, today I want to present about sensor. 2 sensor. First sensor is AI optical sensor. Sensor 2 is antenna. What is a optical sensor? AI optical sensor is often used for airport to store user for data subscription use such as calendar, sound gallery and etc. The description of AI optical sensor is between above microphone and behind in a body, and its color usually grey or dark, and then the optical sensor also used with glue to attachment inside airport. How the unit of part? The unit of part AI optical sensor serves to collect data on specific tasks, analytical data, make decision and take action based on user data and analysis. It also play a role if a user get a call or has one access to one into Siri. Okay, the antenna. Antenna is meant a radio wave transmitter or receiver system. The antenna also serves as an electromagnetic wave that can emit radio waves. What is the description of antenna? The size of the antenna in the airport is too small and it does make it easy to carry anywhere. Very soft antenna material. It can be easy to damage or break. How the unit of part? The antenna serves as communication receiver, Bluetooth device with radio and computer network. Okay, how to use this product? Firstly, keep the case of AirPod to net to your iPhone. In the case of the AirPods, the case must be closed. After that, open the cover in the case of AirPod. The setup assistant will be running on your iPhone. Thirdly, tap and connect. Then the process of pairing will be begin. Tap down, your iPhone is now paired to your iPod. The summary of the AirPod is wire that need to be twisted or trapped as you pass. AirPods are easy to sync with your iPhone and other Apple device. It got the same tone for just a small hardware. The holding case is just wireless. The AirPods can last around 4 hours at a single charge and can be recharged and used for up to 24 hours. Thank you for listening to the present. Thank you.